Good morning, children. Welcome back to our previous class. So, in the previous class, we came to know about the moon, and we came to know that moon is the natural satellite. Okay. So today we will So we came to know that moon is the natural satellite. Today we will know about another satellite which is called the artificial satellite. So there are two types of satellites. Okay. There are two types of satellites, natural and artificial. We know what is a natural satellite. So moon is the natural satellite. Natural means it's like a God's gift made by God, not by human beings. See, the plants, animals, all are God's gift itself. So natural means which is given by the God, which is in nature. It came like that. So that is natural. Artificial means human made. Artificial means human made, which humans made it. Like, see, for example, the TV programs which you watch, you watch the cartoon shows, your parents, the news channels, all these are the artificial made, that is human made. Like, you might have watched in the TV that they send the rockets up. How we came to know that on moon there are rocks? So by this artificial satellites, they send the rockets. No, they send the rockets, and they'll take the satellite will take the pictures, and through that we will get the information that there are rocks. We came to know that there are rocks on the moon. So which gives this artificial satellite is made by human beings, which we get the information what is there in the universe, and natural is by the God itself. So today we will know more about the satellites. So artificial satellites are human-made satellites that orbit around the Earth and other planets in the solar system. They inform us the world beyond our planet and about the changes in weather conditions. So these are artificial satellites give us information about the solar system and how the weather is there. You will get information, no, tomorrow it may be raining. So all this information we get from the artificial satellites which we send through rockets, no. So we will get the information from that. When we keep the satellites go there, it gives the information how the weather condition is there. So they persons they will collect the information and broadcast in the TV. So we will know the weather conditions like that. They receive signals which enable us to see live telecast of programs in the television. So all the television channels, as I said, will get information there from there. So it will be either sent in the live communication. Now, so today we will know more about the stars. Stars are made up of hot glowing gases. So stars are made up of hot glowing gases. Some stars are smaller than the sun. See, what we see other than moon in the sky, we see the stars, right? So the stars for us it will appear small because we are very far away from the sky. So even the stars are even bigger than the sun, but as their distance it appears to be very small. So see, others are more than 1,000 times bigger than it. So the stars are even bigger than the sun, but as they are very far away from the earth, there are long distance, it appears like it is very small. On a clear night, you can see thousands of stars. You can see that some groups of stars form a pattern in the sky. These are called constellations. See, constellation, Constellations. 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 Constellation means a group of stars form a pattern, that is a design type. Like, see, if you didn't observe, you observe. See, there are some figures you will find. See, like one spoon, like you will find in the sky. See, when you join this, you'll form like a spoon. So there are some patterns where if you observe in the sky, you'll find some patterns like this. Okay, the sheep. So you'll find some patterns, some designs like in the stars are forming in the sky, and this pattern is called the constellations. So now we will discuss about the let's try five. I hope you understood what is a natural satellite and the artificial. Natural means the moon, which is made by the God itself. Artificial means human made. So which we have done it. Okay, for example, the TV programs, the radio which you listen, even the phone, this net, all these are the human made. Okay, so let us discuss the let's try five. Let's try five. Okay, the page 76. So page 76. Now the first one. See, put T for true and F for false statements. Now, in the first section, A bit. All stars give out heat and light. So, it is true. As I said earlier, true, the stars are made up of hot gas. So, it is a true statement. Then, the sun is the closest star to the earth. So, yes. Sun is closer to the earth. Then next, the moon is bigger than the sun. It is false. Okay, then next, the moon gives out its own light. So that is also false, because we know that due to the sun rays, due to the sun's light only, it will emit its light, but it doesn't have any light of its own. Then there is life on the earth because of the sun. Yes, it is true, because if there is no light, we can't live. Even the plants also, even the plants require sunlight to prepare its own food. So as we also cannot live in complete darkness, can we? See, if it is dark room, can you find what is where? We can't find, no, so we require light. So that statement is also true. So I hope you understood what is a natural satellite and the artificial, and what are constellation. Constellation is nothing but the stars forming a pattern. Pattern means some design. Like if you observe in the sky, you see up, you will find like something like teddy bear, a spoon, a frog, something you will find. Even the bear, you see, you can find like this also in the sky. So that is called the constellation. Thank you, children.